Have you ever wondered, why do we even need computer networks? What if every computer in the world worked alone? No Wi-Fi, no sharing, no internet. Sounds boring, right? Well, that's why networks exist, to connect, share, and communicate. So, in the last video, we learned what a computer network is. Basically, when two or more devices are connected together to share data, that's what a network is. But what's the real reason behind building networks? Let's find out. Reason number one is communication. Networks allow people and devices to communicate easily through emails, video calls, or messages. Imagine sending a message to your friend instantly across the world. That's networking magic. Number two, resource sharing. Instead of every computer having its own printer or scanner, all devices can share one common printer over the network. That saves money a lot, space, and makes life so much easier. Point number three is data sharing. You can send files, photos, and videos instantly. No need for pen drives or hard disk. The network does it all. Now goes on point number four. Internet access. Through networks, we connect to the world, watch YouTube, study online, play games, or even order food. The internet is the biggest example of networking. Fifth and the last point is centralized management. In companies or schools, the network admin can manage all systems from one computer, update software, control access, and maintain security all from one place. Yes, point number one is communication, two is resource sharing, three is data sharing, four is internet access, and fifth is centralized management. So, in short, we need computer networks to communicate, share resources, share data, access the internet, and manage systems easily. Remember, networking makes the world smaller and smarter. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to CS Unlocked. In the next video, we will explore the components of the network. Trust me, that's what's going to be super interesting. Thank you.